Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we look at CoinPoker. They put poker on the blockchain and that's a great use case in our opinion. In this video, we will show you everything about CoinPoker. We have live footage of the software, and in the end, we will tell you why it could be an amazing time to get into this project. Let's do a quick overview. These are the exchanges where you can buy CoinPoker tokens or CHP. I would recommend Qcoin. It's the best out of those 4 exchanges in my opinion. Here are the benefits if you play on CoinPoker. It's easy to access. We agree with that statement if you are familiar with cryptocurrencies. If you've never heard about Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's a totally different story. They have a mobile app. The software is fantastic and we will show it to you later in the video. The community can talk to the team on Telegram and give them feedback. We also joined the Telegram group and shared our experience. Next up is player promotions. Some of the promotions have great value. We'll take a closer look in just a second. The last thing on this list is that CoinPoker is 100% decentralized. They have a random number generator that is fully decentralized. We will get back to it after we went over the promotions. There are a few promotions available. From free rolls to bad beat jackpots. MTT leaderboards or spins. The best value in our opinion is the monthly free roll. You will get a free ticket if you rake a little bit of money by playing cash games or tournaments. It's really not a lot that you have to rake. Then you get your ticket, and what's great about this tournament, since it's a free roll, most of the players are on sit out. That means you can get in the money very easily. The winner gets around $2,000. The field isn't very big because most of the players aren't playing. My friend played it last time. He made it in the money close to the final table and got some free cash without any effort. If you like sports betting, they launched it not that long ago. We will visit the sports betting section later. First, let me explain to you how the random number generator or RNG works. The full source code can be found on their website, but we will keep it simple for now. You can compare it to a Magic 8 ball. You shake it and the outcome is random. In this example, we have Alice and Bob. They send a one-way cryptographic function to each other in CoinPoker, which they refer to as shake factor. While the hand is in play, Alice and Bob send the shake value to CoinPoker. As shown in the image, CoinPoker uses the values to create a final shake value, and shuffles the deck with the help of everyone involved. That's how Alice and Bob can verify, once the hand is over, that the shuffle was fair. My friend was kind enough to record his screen while he was playing. Let's watch some live footage of the CoinPoker software. This is a no-limit Hold'em 6 max game with blinds 125-250 CHP. That equals to around 50 cents, $1. The software offers many good functions, from customizing your table to 4-color deck, auto rebuy or seating position. The user experience is great when you play on CoinPoker. If you like to play cash games, micro and low limits running most of the time. NL 500 or higher is running very rarely, but let me give you an important note later when we take a look at the price chart. The tournament schedule is very thin. Except for Sunday. There are more tournaments running on this day. Deposits and withdrawals are very easy. You can buy CHP on an exchange or send US Tether to your account and swap it to CHP. Unfortunately, the gas fees are very high at the moment since CoinPoker is running on the Ethereum blockchain. Hopefully the fees will get lower in the future. But using the blockchain is much better and trustworthy than traditional payment systems. That looks like a very nice flop. Let's see what happens. He calls, maybe with a flush draw. Okay, easy call. Let's see what he has. That's a nice setup for us. Hope we survive the river card. Unlucky that it didn't hold. Alright, let's watch one more hand before we move on to the sportsbook section. Flop looks good, we picked up the nut flush draw. But he folds. Let's head over to sports betting. This is the CoinPoker lobby. Now we are under cash games. Let's go over to sports betting. You can bet on every sport that is currently available. I like to bet on tennis. The US Open is running at the moment, and let's check the odds for the semifinal. Once you found a bet, you simply enter the amount and hit confirm. Let's check the price of CHP and why we think it's a good time to buy some tokens. The current price of CHP is not even half a penny. And the market cap is below 1 million. That is where we see a big opportunity, because as you can see on the chart, you are entering this project at an all-time low. Of course it can go lower from here, but we think the probability that it goes up from is higher. If you play the low stakes now and the CHP gains in value, it's like you would have played higher stakes. That's what happened at the beginning of the chart, but the other way round. CHP lost in value and players lost a lot of USD value too. We asked the team why not use a stable coin. And they said they are thinking about it. But since the market cap is so low now and they have a great working product, we don't see any reason why not enter CHP now. It's relatively low risk, but the upside could be huge. Those were our thoughts on CoinPoker. Did we miss something? Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Check the links in the description to get some free crypto. To everybody who is liking and subscribing, thanks a lot. We appreciate it and it helps us out tremendously.